Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will cover another Python function which is lgamma. Lgamma function is mainly used to calculate the logarithm of gamma. Okay, so whenever you pass any value to this function, it will calculate the logarithm for gamma for that particular value which you have passed. So to use this function, first of all, we need to import one module. So here on line number 6, I am importing the math module. So you just need to write import space math, and then throughout the program you can easily utilize this function. On line number 10, we firstly use one variable, result variable, which we will use to store the output which we are retrieving from the function. Then I am using this math.lgamma function, and the value I am passing here is 1. So if you take your mouse cursor on this function, it will show this is natural logarithm of absolute value of a gamma function at x. So x means 1. So if I run this program to verify the output, you will see that it is printing the output as, let me run it, 88.pi. So output is 0.0 for L gamma 1. Likewise, for the second scenario, here I am passing the value as 10. So once you run this value, scenario, the output would come like this, 12.08, because we have executed all the scenario at one go, right? So it is printing 12.801827 something. Similarly, if you look at the third scenario, here we are not passing any value directly. Instead of that, I am storing it into the one host variable, and then I'm passing that host variable, or you can say the variable, to this function. So here I'm passing the x to this function, and the output is 0.69314 something. Okay, so this is how it works. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Share Math.